All right, y'all, man. It's your boy slushystudent 38. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. As y'all can see, we outside. I'm at AutoZone today. I'm doing this live and everything, so I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. But yeah, I got a lot in store for y'all, man. So if y'all new to the channel, welcome. And hit that like button, smash the notification bell, and subscribe, man. So yeah, let me give y'all this cold start. And after this, watch the intro, and I'm gonna dive into what I gotta talk about. So yeah, let's do that. All right, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed the intro and the cold start. So here's the walk around the car, man. We sitting on 20x9s in the front with a stacker setup, 20x10 files in the back, man. This video is about to be crazy because I'm about to show y'all what I got going on once we walk around the back. But I had to talk about the stacker setup and the rims and tires because that was the last thing I done. I've been on vacation, so if y'all ain't seen none of those vlogs, man, also go watch that stuff, man. So I definitely was busting some D1 basketball players and all the way in Orlando, y'all. You already know what time it is. But yeah, y'all. But look, let me show y'all real quick. All right, so this is the fire I've been talking about, man. Whoo, y'all probably like, it's boxes. But no, I'm about to show y'all right now. Let's see. Bam! Surprise, surprise, 38 gang. Y'all know what that means. It's the brake setup and brake kit installation today. So yeah, we about to try to get that done. Stay tuned for the video, like I said before, man. And yeah, y'all about to see how this car look after these Brembos get put on. And yeah. Like pressure tire sensors, like tire sensors?
Yeah, we'd have to look that up.
Okay, yeah. Team, Dodge, Challenger, RT.
Oh, maybe under
Excuse me.
You just want one sensor?
No, four for the whole vehicle.
We got a 4-pack. You just gotta get, like, you could use even a fishing line, heat it up, and when you get it under there, pull it
I wish I could
towards
show
you.
Yeah.
Just do this back and forth, and it'll cut right through the glue that's under there without damaging this.
Okay.
And then you just got to clean the residue off, which you could use with a bunch of different stuff.
But yeah, cause I don't like the chrome look. I got the
Yeah, cause you look at that chrome. You got Sublime. You got black.
Yeah.
And it's like they look.
Chrome, yeah. It's still in the process, dude. I had to add. It was chrome. This was chrome too. I added this. I added the lock cap, cause you know they don't lock.
Yeah, Sublime, man. That's badass though.
But yeah, I got the side markers that's matte too. So I'm trying to get the whole matte finish on it. So.
Yeah, those Brembos are really nice brakes, man. Those
Never.
make a huge difference too, just stopping and stuff.
Cool.
Yeah, Cleveland Power. That's not far from my house.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know about it. I'm trying to get a whip, so I need to talk about that in my video. Honestly, I'm gonna sit down and talk about that when we get somewhere.
Yeah, man, have a nice ride. Good job.
Thank you, bro. All right, guys. So look, we outside of JoJo's. It's an auto mechanic place, repair shop, whatever. But I never got work done by these guys. I'm only doing this because my mechanic is out of town until the 17th. I know y'all seen this done. I get them done by Ray. But yeah, y'all, so if I know y'all gotta be excited for these Brembos about to get put on this car. It's the last look at this baby before they get them red calibers on them, them red red lipstick joints. The whole thing gonna look better, so. I'm sorry, I'm actually recording something right now. But yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, stay tuned for the video, y'all. Okay, all right, y'all. So if y'all can hear me good, all right, cool. So we at M&S Auto Repair. I was at JoJo's, but they was trying to quote me $1,400 to do my Brembo. So this man right here, I'm at M&S. He know what he's talking about. He's been doing cars for a long time. He's trying to save me money, a lot of money. He's talking about $300. He's gonna come back out here and tell me. Because the problem is we got front spindles with the kit that I have. So the problem is we trying to figure out if I need those or not. So the other guy was gonna charge me $1,400 to put them on or whatever, but he's really trying to save me money and trying to figure out if I need them or not. And he about to figure that out right now. So when he come out, I'm gonna let him I'm gonna record him, so he gonna get y'all like the informational aspect of it. So stay tuned for that real quick. Put my mask back on.
This is your part number here for this car.
Okay.
So these come off of a what?
2016 6.4.
16. Oh, it's the VIN. I need that.
Oh, they put that on there too. Nice.
Yeah. Find out now. This is your part number.
Okay.
If you bought Brembos for this.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take this VIN.
Okay.
And put it in the computer and see if it's the same caliper.
Okay. Okay.
You just go ahead and do the whole thing.
Yep.
They are not the same.
So it can't fit?
No, these are for a 2016 Challenger Scat Pack edition.
Okay. Wow.
And that's the part number of the Brembo. And if you bought, right here's the part number.
Okay.
If you need it. Then pretend like you went out and bought Brembo calipers only for this car.
Yeah.
That's this number. So they are different. That's why they want you to change the spindles and all.
Oh, okay. But you can get them on there though.
Well, we gotta find out. You have the spindle number now.
It's all in this car.
So we need to get the spindle number.
Let's get to doing that then. Let's do that. That's I'm glad about it.
I'm just.
Yes, that's what I wanted because I'm having so much issues and I spent so much money getting this part. So
it's kind of funny they sold it to you, but they didn't want to do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because they probably found out it won't fit.
The spindle's in here. No, they just take parts of it. This is it right here. So you need this like this, right? The same.
No.
You just want to look at it?
Is this a spindle?
I think this is it. Yes. So I got another box in the car too in the front.
And this is okay. This is actually factory. Is that a drop spindle?
Yeah.
It's not.
That's what I said. I knew it was factory.
Okay.
I figured it was factory.
All right, I'll get your price on it. It all has to be changed at one time.
Okay, cool. But
now, what's very important too.
Okay.
Is that caliper is, according to my screen, 1.25 inches wider.
I was in the back. That's 20 by 9.5 in the front.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
Oh, so you already changed these?
I was already thinking. I was ahead of everything. I didn't need a spacer or anything to do it because.
No.
Yeah.
Because your factory rims might not have worked.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we did.
Yeah, we changed them.
Hit it.
Yeah. That's what they was telling me.
Okay, I'll be right back again.
Cool. Whew. Thank you, man. I ain't knew that the shit was gonna work. Right. Let's go. I'll take this in.
First name?
Gregory.
All right, and the key.
Oh, there it is. Just oh yeah, you good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. That's it.
All right, have a good day.
Yes, thank you, Elvis. All right, y'all. So it's Monday, y'all. We up here at the shop. This is the last look. Take a look at these rims. I mean, these Calis and rims before the Brembo package get put on. So I got these parts. I got this Brembo kit from Cleveland Performance and Power. It's located in Ohio, so that means that it's a used kit. I paid about $2 for it, and then man here's supposed to be putting it on for $400. So I got a little small deal on them. But they came off a Scat Pack, so stay tuned for the video, y'all. Y'all about to see how this boy gonna be looking out there.
There we are.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
That water speed, did that rust will come off? The little water spots, I guess?
That's what it is.
Yeah.
You take any rotor and throw it outside, it's going to do that because it's bare metal. There's no paint on it. You can't put paint on rotors. You got to stop.
Yeah. That's why I was.
You go through a car wash and park at home. It's going to rust in 2 or 3 days.
No. I was gonna buy some more, but I'm like, it's just gonna do the same thing. So. All we care about is the Brembos more than anything. Thank you. All right, y'all. So if y'all can hear me, I don't know if I can. But we back up here at M&S Auto Repair. Trying to basically pick the car up. Is over there. Look. Oh, we about to reveal this boy. I can't wait. Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. Look. They hooked me up today, y'all. So.
33 pounds.
Okay.
I mean 32.8.
Okay. Oh my God.
32.1. So they're reading.
Yeah,
Just Google up and you see the procedures.
Okay, yeah.
All right, have a good day.
No worries. I'll definitely be back for more business in the future and send people out over your way for on business and everything. I got like a
have a good day.
I got like a Mopar family, a lot of Dodge people and stuff like that, car group and stuff.
I'm big time Dodge.
So.
Well, at home I got a 1970 Cuda.
Damn.
446 pack.
Yeah. Damn.
I got a 69 Road Runner, 65 Satellite.
That's crazy.
70 Charger.
Damn, so you really work on cars.
The old school, yeah. We do a lot of big blocks. I got a body shop in Medina.
Okay,
So
okay.
we do a lot of prep and prime. We do a lot of restoration.
Okay. Well, I definitely would we only stay like 15 minutes away.
No, I never took your key out for your lug nuts.
Oh yeah, I think I left it. It's at home. It's at home.
Yeah. We used ours.
Okay.
I told her yesterday.
Okay.
You got some parts there.
There's not the
parts in the trunk.
Thank you.
Setup here. Since you're recording in the back here.
Yeah.
Because it's a scat pack, you got 3/16 of an inch.
Okay.
Try to put your hand back there.
So that means you can't lower it then? If I wanted to lower it?
You can lower it.
Because I want to get it lower pretty
You
much.
raise it.
Okay, so I can.
Here, put your hand right here. Where you see that plastic?
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see. Yeah.
3/16 of an inch.
So okay.
Scat pack resets in.
Okay.
They're different from the charger.
So, okay, since you're
You don't
saying
hear
that,
the noises.
since you're saying that though, is that more of a performance gain or a performance loss?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know if you go over to a railroad track,
Yeah.
you might hear.
Okay.
Because as the car goes down, it'll hit that plastic.
I see.
Because the Challenger is different from Scat Pack by
So if I try to lower it, it would make it worse then?
no.
Because that's my next thing. Yeah, that's what I want to
You got
do.
more clearance going up.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to do
Going
then.
down, like say if me and you pick the car up together,
Yeah.
it might scrub,
Okay.
but you don't want to go up.
Yeah, I want to go down. That's the
Yeah.
main thing I'm trying to do. Yeah.
Yep.
So
You actually do the coils.
that's what I want to do. Yeah, the coil levers. I heard the Abachi, the spring, they just don't give you the flexibility pretty much.
Yeah, there's a one brain out there that actually you can adjust
Yeah.
the collars on them
Okay.
up and down.
That's what I want to do.
Now,
Yeah.
what we do, my house, we do like 1950 trucks.
Okay.
We put LS motors in them and we bag them.
Okay.
We drop to the ground where they touch the ground.
Okay.
We use airbags.
Okay. But
And
that's
you could bag this too if you wanted to.
okay. That's a little bit more though. I'm sure. Yeah. Yeah.
We charge like $4,000.
Yeah.
That's a remote bagging.
Okay. Okay.
We do all that stuff.
Damn, that's lit. Damn. Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Well, thank you. Thank you for helping us
See
and
ya.
everything. Thank
Bye.
you. All right, 38 gang. So yeah, I got done talking with my mechanic. Here's the big reveal of the Brembos, y'all. He gave us a lot of information that we need to know in the future with the future mods. So basically, I want to lower my car. Y'all gotta let me know, man. Let me know what those look like on this car, boy. This boy coming out clean. It need to wash though, lightweight. And yeah, y'all. Like I said before, I got these Brembos from Cleveland Power and Performance in Ohio. They put them off a Scat Pack, y'all. They new. They pretty new, and I paid half the price, like $1,700 for that, and then he charged me by like $600 to get it all done after everything. I also got tires sensors put in too. So yeah, man, it's looking really good, y'all. I appreciate all the support once again. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm about to give y'all the code start to close this video out, y'all. And y'all already know how it is. You already know what time it is. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next video, gang. Let's go.